CSUMB Otters! Did you know that many of the textbooks, movies, and CDs that are required for your classes are available at the CSUMB library? We pull these materials from the regular bookshelves and move them to course reserves behind the front desk, so they'll be available for you when you need them. Items in the course reserve section are only able to be checked out for short periods of time, which are decided by your professor to ensure that everyone in your class has the opportunity to use them. There are two ways to find the materials that your professor has put on reserve for your class. The first is to go to the library website and click on Course Reserves under Quick Links. Then, click on Course Reserve List. This will take you to our list of classes that have materials on reserve. Using the search bar, you can find your class by either entering your professor's name, the course name, or the course code. Once you find your class, look at the column next to Author. This column will tell you if the item is a physical copy available in the library or if the item is an ebook available online. If the location says multiple locations, this item might be available as a hard copy and as an ebook. If the location is online, this textbook is an ebook. You can access this material by clicking the title of the textbook, which will open a new page, and then clicking Read Online. Make sure you're logged into your CSUMB account. If the location is Course Reserve, this textbook is a physical copy located in the library. You will have to come into the library and ask an employee at the front desk to retrieve it for you. Please have the course number and the title of the textbook ready when you get to the front desk. The employee will need that information in order to find the item for you.
If you're already in the library and want to check out a course reserve, you can go to the front desk and ask an employee to look up the materials that are on reserve for your course. You'll just need to give the employee the course code, and they can pull up the list of materials that your instructor has on reserve.
Here are some things to remember when checking out your course reserve item. If you are checking out a physical item, you will need your Otter ID. We can't lend items without it. Course reserves can either be checked out for 2 hours, 1 day, or 3 days. The loan time for each item will be indicated by a sticker on the bottom of the spine. You can also ask the employee who is checking out the books to you. Now you know how to use our course reserves. If you have questions, you can call the library at 831-582-3733. Thanks for watching!